What's up, ukers, and welcome to another video tutorial. Here in this channel, I'm making a lot of videos on ukulele, guitar, and all other small instruments. So if you're new here and you just saw me, we are in the same interest, please consider subscribing. Okay? Today, you're learning how to play ano nga yun? Nothing is Impossible on ukulele. But before that, make sure your ukulele is tuned properly. You're going to need these chords for this song. Learn them one by one if you have a time. And you need to have a time because you're not gonna learn this song without them. I'll give you a quick one. So C, G, you have A minor, F, and D minor. So D minor looks like an F, number 3 finger to go to this string, C string. It sounds like this. Yan. And before we continue, I'd like to give a big shout out to Attitude Band. Alright, so shout out to you guys, mga pare ko ay ang gagaling yung tumugtog. Ang bola pa. One of them is actually a close friend of mine. He sent me a message this afternoon. Hey, do you want a bag? And of course, diba? If it's coming from you and it's for free, thank you very much for the bag. Okay, I'm going to get that when I go to the Philippines by next month. And shout out also to Cez, who saw my videos and he commented to one of my posts and he's like, "Hoy tol, shout out mo din ako." You will love this ha 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 if you just see how he laughs, because he laughs like no, not like that. Basta he laughs like it's contagious and you want to be happy with your life kahit may problema ka. Shout out to you, Cez, and thank you for the happiness. Okay, so we're proceeding now. Let's zoom in. Before I give you the strumming patterns, there are three types of strumming patterns. Let me just say thanks to the 300 subscribers of this channel. Thank you, Spartans. The main strumming pattern of the song, which we will use in almost all parts of the song, is this. Down, down, up, down, up. Alright? So that's it. And the two more strumming patterns ay makikita ninyo, you will find it in the interlude. Just that interlude, it has 2 strumming patterns. But you don't have to worry about them because I'm going to teach you how to play the interlude, the part of the song that sounds like this. Okay, so let me just post everything that you need here in your screen. You have the chords of the chorus, verse, and pre-chorus. You have the strumming pattern. You will be using only one sa mga parts na yun. The interlude has 2 strumming patterns. But first, let's run through the song. For the chorus, that's the beginning of the song. You are seeing your notes right here. You have C, G, A minor, and F. And for each chord, you are using 2 down, down, up, down, up 2 times. That means it has 8 beats each chord. So it sounds like this. Okay? If you will put the song, it's too high for me, so I'm not gonna sing it loud. May natutulog na. Some people are sleeping. So it sounds like I can do anything. I can do all things. have that little break right there, and then we go to the interlude. And the interlude's strumming pattern, you're using an alternate strumming pattern. Each chord nag-iiba-iba, but alternate lang naman. The first one is down, 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 up, down. That's the first one. And then down, up, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? And then it's a D minor. Down, 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 up, down. And then F. Up, down, down, up. So, you see, the first chord is like abuelo. What's buelo in English? Anyway, so down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. You practice that. Let's practice it together so you can see your own progress 4 times. So you have the time to practice that part, because I think that's the hardest part of the song, the interlude, because the strumming pattern is, you know, some beginners in ukulele, they might find it tricky, or should we say difficult, kasi it's changing. Okay, let's practice. You're seeing the strumming pattern right here in your screen. All we need to do is to follow it and feel the rhythm. That's the most important thing. Learning ukulele, you need to feel the rhythm. Okay, let's try. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So just by looking at the screen, you can practice it by yourself, or just keep playing the video if you cannot do it. Alright, so after chorus, you go to the interlude, which we just did, and we have the verse. The verse goes, what's the lyrics? I'm not gonna leave. So it has this chord, 4 beats, 4 beats, and 8 beats. Now, when I say 4 beats, that means, I already said a while ago, diba? That means, 4 beats means 1 strumming pattern yung down, down, up, down, up. 1 time. Isang beses nun. So, 4 beats. 2 beats. 8 beats. 4. 4. 8. That's just for example. Okay, so I hope you're getting my point. And here, here, and here. Next is A minor, G, and F. Again, let's go back from the top of the verse. 4 beats, 4 beats, 8 beats, 4 beats, 4 beats, and 8 beats. So let me show you how it's done. Yung part ng I'm not gonna live by what I see. Verse. That's it. So let's try to hum or sing, or up to you. I'm not gonna live. Again, nagkamali. I'm not gonna live by what I see. Diba ganyan yun? I'm not gonna live by what I feel. Okay, that's it. And then pre-chorus. So again, you practice it. Try to practice it. And then we go to the pre-chorus, and the pre-chorus goes like this: A minor, G, and F. That's all. You just need to repeat it 2 times, I guess. So deep down I know that you're see, we're almost done with the song. You just arrange it the way you want, or you can follow the exact arrangement. Oh, before ko makalimutan, there's a part, yung parang bridge. I believe it's actually the interlude part. So you need to sing I believe in the interlude. It goes like this. I believe in you. Diba? Alright, so you have all the parts of the song now. What you can do is to practice it by your own. If you need assistance, you may just ask me or replay the video or comment down below if you need any help. But you can practice by your own. Okay? Thank you very much. And I'll see you next time, Ukers. Salamat po.